Good evening, everybody. If you press that button, I know you're walking with me already. You know this is Mr. Walk Life. You should already been did your stretches, stepping with me. Walk at your own pace, man. If you inside, put on some sweat gear so you can heat up. I don't know if you can see the ducks out today, but they out here. I like to go off the beaten path sometime. There you go. Yeah, man, it's Mr. Walk Life in the building. Yeah. Different kind of walking exercise. Walk at your own pace. Keep it moving. There you go. Beautiful day to walk, I can tell you that much. All right, try to do at least a 10-minute one a day. Yeah, it's a hot one. How hot it is today?
How's it going, bro?
All right. Yeah. There you go. It's back up in the 90s. You know. You're trying to lose some weight, you're out here walking today. That's all I can tell you. You know. Good for your health, trim you up. Best hard exercise out here, walking. You know. And just got to try to do it on a consistent basis. Slide you another 10-minute one in when you get a chance. I'm right here. Okay.
Excuse me.
Okay, you all right, my brother. Like I say, you walk at your own pace. As long as you moving, that's all that matters. Get that body in motion, man. You know. It's another one of them slow days. Boring day, I ain't got my cameraman with me. But I still got to get the footage because I don't want y'all to think I'm cheating y'all. I don't want y'all to see me like fat one day, skinny the next. You know, you'll see that I work the weight off. Because that's what you got to do. They got a million get slim quick schemes, but most of them unhealthy, man. My people got the operation, but they gained the weight right back. You know? I seen the Al Roker dude on TV, the newsman. He put on that little weight and got to walking again. I guess he got hip like, man, you still got to put that work in. Even after you get that liposuction. You can't just start back eating again. You know? I make these 10-minute walks for the overweight people too now. You know, you obese, walk with me. You out of shape, walk with me. You want to stay in shape, walk with me. You know, that's all you got to do. Yeah, it's a hot one out here today. You know when it's hot because you don't see nobody over here working out. You know, that's when you know it's heated out here. I think I told you about my man Ty's Conscious Kitchen the other day. You know, you get a minute, go check him out. Get one of them dishes. Them alkaline dishes, you know they good too. I done tasted a few of them now. And they're healthy for you. There go my man. All right, my brother. Okay. Peace, my brother. Yeah, it's a hot one. We out here. You hear the African accent? That's all right. Yeah, man. For all you boys and girls, we out here in this hot sun. So if you riding with me, put some sweat gear on, one of them sweatsuits that make you sweat in the house. You know what I'm saying? When it get cold, that's what I'm gonna do. You know? If you don't need to lose the weight, then you don't need one. You know, just walk to stay active. I ain't trying to get too thin. I want to just be a normal size weight and medium size, because that's my figure. You know what I'm saying? That's my stature, medium size. You know, I got friends that can't put on weight no matter how hard they try. You know, just take time for your metabolism to slow down. And it do once you get older. But you also got to be smart enough to know you got to keep working out. You know. So, yeah, I feel a little windy right now. 100 degrees out here, it feel like. But we're going to take it one day at a time. You're in the building with Mr. Walk Life. You know. Oh, I got a comment the other day. A girl put a comment on a new subscriber, and she said, because of you, I've been walking more, Mr. Walk Life. And it kind of hit me a different kind of way, you know, because it was real sentimental. And I replied, I can reply to all my comments now because I ain't such a big channel, so I can be more personal. But it blow up, you know, I can't comment back to everybody like that. But right now I can, and I do. You know, so thanks, baby girl. I'm glad you're using me for the motivation. You know, that's what I'm out here for. You know, use me for the motivation. So it's cool. All these 350 plus obese people, these 5-minute walks mean something. You know, and beginner rehab, people been in accidents and things like that, just now starting back walking again. You know, 5-minute ones work. Now when you want to burn some fat off, you want to go to my at least 15 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes. Them the ones I make to really burn the fat off. And I have my cameraman with me to do multiple exercises along the way. I wish I could do them right now, to be honest with you. But sometimes it's just me and y'all, you know. I can't complain, man. Shoot, I'm out here and I appreciate it. Shoot. Ooh-wee, can you see me? Get the walk lights in the building. There you go. You see Mr. Walk Life? As soon as you push the button, get to stepping. You know. You see that sweat on my face, you know it's a hot one. I ain't gonna cheat you. And that's no lie. I'm not gonna cheat you. You know. Every day a different day, man. You know, so your best thing to do is try to find the time to get you some work in. Like I said, at least a 10-minute workout, at least every day. You know, people can do them anywhere. Now, me personally, that's exactly what I do. You know, let me give y'all a neck exercise today. I always do these. Y'all ready? Let's go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get that neck. Get that neck fat off. Yeah. Sweat. Look at that sweat on my neck, man. Rub it in. Do that chin. Make sure you do your exercises for your chin and your neck. Let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's work around some. Y'all ready? 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that feel good. Loosen up, man. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful day. Let me see what time is it. Man, that was a 10-minute walk.